Hello and welcome back to Moto Bumbles. This week we're looking at the Monimoto 7. I picked this up earlier in the week from Infinity Motorcycles in the Oxford branch. They're brilliant in there. Ordered online, picked up next day. So I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing video for you, just so you can see what the packaging looks like and my experience going through with it. So here we have the Monimoto 7 in all of its glory. Little push tab on the top, drops out the bottom. You can see on the little card here, you can download the app, and that is the best way to get going. Flip out the little, very little black box there. Inside here, the key fob and some cable ties. Right at the bottom of the box, a very fiddly to get out bit of paper with a bit of information about the support website. There we go. So it's support.monimoto.com, and on here you can find all sorts of how-to videos, how to set it up, things that could go wrong. And I actually spoke to Monimoto support earlier in the week when I first got this, just because I was having a bit of an issue setting up with my Google Pixel. Right, let's get rid of that. So here we have the main unit. It uses two AA Energizer batteries. The key fob you need to open up to take out of a little tab, as well as the main battery. You can do that there. And here are the cable ties. You get two in a pack. Let's pop that little battery pack back on. So on the key fob here, you can see it is tiny, really nice and slim. There's a little indent there where you pop a key or a screwdriver or something like that in, just to pop open to get to the battery. Here, a couple of cable ties to tie it onto the bike. Obviously, I'm not going to show you where I put mine. And here is the main unit. Really nice and slim, much smaller than the previous model. And of course, the obligatory banana for scale. So, clearing the table, let's have a look at the key. I decided it was probably going to need a keyring, so I got one of those out of a drawer, and just like on Blue Peter, here's one I made earlier. So this is the app. This is the main screen that you'll see. I've scribbled out the important bits of information for me, but it's very minimal. It shows you really nicely any major events. I'm yet to test it out in the field, but I will do that. And if I have any issues or anything worth noting, I'll put it in the comments below or make another video. If you have any questions, please leave them below, but thank you for watching.